No, I'm not going to drop it. All right, you want to show me the rabbit again?
Yeah.
Go ahead. What are you doing?
Hopping. Can you see?
If I show you, you won't be able to see you. You would only see me. Should we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Can you see me?
Yeah.
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
I don't know. I can't see. What am I doing now?
Waving.
Yeah. How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
Okay. Which eye is closed?
We have a right one.
You're right. What else can I do?
Cover your mouth. Now like this.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. With your mouth.
Okay, now you show me. How do you do it? I see.
Let's make another movie.
Another one? What do you want to do in the other one?
Waving.
Waving? Show me waving.
No, Laylee.
What is that?
Laylee.
What is that?
Laylee's my friend.
Oh. Is she in your class at school?
Yeah.
Who are your other friends?
Is it school time?
In a few minutes.
Can I see? Hi, Mommy.
Hi, sweetheart.
And she again.
All right, let's say goodbye. Can you say goodbye?
Turn around.
I will. First, say goodbye to the movie.
My movie.
Okay.